проебали, блядь, вот сука.
Sources within Ukraine's security service SBU confirmed that the attack on the Novoshakhtinsky oil refinery in Russia's Rostov region was a joint operation between the SBU and the Ukrainian naval forces. According to the sources, the operation unfolded in two stages. First, SBU drones overwhelmed the Russian air defense systems protecting the refinery, creating a critical window of opportunity. This allowed Ukrainian-produced jet-powered missiles, coordinated by the SBU and the Navy, to successfully strike the facility in the next phase. The attack triggered a large-scale fire, with videos showing multiple sources of ignition across a wide area. The ELO UAVT 2.5 unit, which produces liquefied petroleum gases, was reportedly hit in the assault. Preliminary assessments indicate that the strike caused substantial damage to the refinery's production facilities. Today's special operation utilized unmanned aerial vehicles and Ukrainian-made missiles, a source within the SBU stated. This demonstrates the effectiveness and power of Ukrainian weaponry, as well as its ability to disrupt enemy logistics supporting the war against Ukraine. A Ukrainian drone attack targeted the Novoshakhtinsky oil products plant early morning on Thursday, December 19, the largest refinery in southern Russia, located about 100 kilometers from Rostov-on-Don. The attack triggered a fire, which was later extinguished, according to Yuri Slyusar, acting governor of the Rostov region. Emergency rescue units responded to the scene after the fire broke out due to falling drone fragments, Slyusar reported on Telegram. Witnesses cited by Astra Telegram channel described a sea of explosions, gunfire lasting about 40 minutes, and the sound of the downed missiles. MASH, a Russian media outlet, claimed the fire started when debris from a destroyed drone landed at the facility. The Novoshakhtinsky refinery, the only one in the Rostov region, has a capacity of 5.6 million tons and produces a range of fuels. This is not its first attack. A similar incident in June caused a fire, and operations were previously halted in March due to another drone strike. The December 19 attack was part of a broader wave of strikes. Slyusar reported that over 30 drones and 3 missiles targeted several areas in the Rostov region, including Taganrog, Bataisk, and Shakhty. Most were intercepted, according to the acting governor. The Russian Defense Ministry claimed to have destroyed 36 drones, but made no mention of missile attacks. The broader wave of attacks on Russian refineries has significantly impacted operations. According to Reuters, idle refining capacity in Russia surged to 2.7 million tons in November, with year-to-date downtime rising by 17% compared to the previous year. Russia is struggling to repair damaged refineries. Production delays and breakdowns have impacted several major facilities, including the North Sea Refinery, Volgograd Lukoil Refinery, and others, largely due to reliance on technology from Western companies that are no longer accessible. Previously, on November 29th, a Ukrainian drone struck the Rosreserve oil depot, Atlas, in Rostov region. Satellite images from December 17th published by Svoboda Radio show at least 5 fuel tanks were damaged in the attack, adding to the damage from a previous strike in August. A Ukrainian Mi-8 helicopter shooting down a Shahed drone. Ukraine is leveraging its helicopters and jets in innovative ways to counter drone threats. Using advanced radar systems, pilots intercept drones at various altitudes, employing air-to-air missiles or even their aircraft's guns for precise targeting. Helicopters provide close-range agility, while jets excel at high-speed interceptions, creating a versatile air defense strategy. Russian soldiers filmed themselves robbing apartments in the occupied city of Seladov, Donetsk region. It seems they are enjoying it. Disgusting.
Двери вскрываем. Хаты. Так. Хату скрыли, сейчас вторая вскрывается. Давай. Ваши. Верхние замки. Красава. Давай, добивай. Добивай, добьем. Красава. Что-то хата опять полупустая. О, на кухне есть мало хавчик. Ноут забирай.
A video appeared in Russian media showing a large amount of destroyed Russian military equipment. As of December 2024, Russia has suffered significant losses in Ukraine. U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin reported that since February 2022, Russian casualties have exceeded 700,000, including both killed and wounded personnel. The Ukrainian intelligence has revealed Russia's losses among mobilized soldiers. As noted by the main Directorate of Intelligence, HUR, between September 21, 2022 and October 31, 2024, Russia lost 98,641 mobilized soldiers, according to calculations made by the Russians themselves. Was this part of the plan as well? Zelensky. Ukraine can't regain Donbass and Crimea by force, but we won't give up these territories. Our constitution forbids us from surrendering them. De facto, these areas are controlled by Russia, and only international diplomatic pressure can push Putin to the negotiating table. Upon arriving in Brussels for the last European summit of the year, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky appealed to the Atlantic Alliance. Only united, the EU and the US can defeat Putin. None of the recently passed U.S. bills include aid for Ukraine, with future decisions left to the next administration. I think Trump's election has already, in some sense, changed the situation. He might be the one to find a solution, said House Speaker Mike Johnson.
I'm not on CR because I believe we will pass the CR. None of the bill that we have right now, they don't have any aid to Ukraine. And it's a conclusion of this session. It's last week. Can you resume this session? What was been possible to do to support Ukraine, and what do you expect in aid to Ukraine?
We're waiting on the new administration. We're waiting on the new administration to come in and provide direction on that. I think that President Trump's election has already changed the equation there. I think he's the one that can bring that to a resolution, and we're looking forward to his leadership on that point. So we'll have to see.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.